Hello everyone, this is Naghma. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. So first of all, I'm really very sorry about not being active on YouTube. Not only on YouTube but on all the social media like Instagram, everything. I was not able to be active more because me and my husband are blessed with a baby boy. So we are just busy in, the little one is growing up. So we are just busy taking care of him and everything. So yeah, it's been like a 1 year I have been active on YouTube. So finally I'm back on YouTube again. So hopefully I'll be uploading once a week a video for you guys, and I'm really thankful for you guys to keep subscribing, liking and commenting on my videos. And we have reached like 22k subscribers. I'm really very blessed, and thank you so much for all your love and support. So today I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A7, which is newly launched by Samsung in their A series. So let's get started. So this is how the Samsung Galaxy A7 looks like, and at the back it says Samsung Galaxy A7 64GB Super AMOLED Infinity Display, triple rear camera and 24 megapixel front camera, 64GB memory and 4GB RAM. So I'm going to unbox this phone. So this process is going to take time, so I'm going to speed up the video to save the time. This is the phone itself. I'm going to keep this aside. Let's check what else we got in the box. So we got some paperwork that like how to start and regional log guide and everything. It's a different thing that no one reads. And we got the SIM ejection pin, and we got the USB cable, and I really wanted, like, for the price it should have been like C-type charger or fast charging, but I don't know why they haven't included. And these headphones, they looked pretty normal to me, but after using it, trust me, these are the best headphones I have ever used. The sound is loud and clear, and this is the charger, which is 5.0 volts, which is okay type of charger. So yeah. You have a micro USB port, 3.5 mm headphone jack and a loudspeaker at the bottom of the phone, while on the top only has a secondary microphone. According to the price of the smartphone, it could have been a USB Type-C port. The power button has the integrated fingerprint scanner. We have seen a similar fingerprint scanner on the Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, I guess. And it has a 3 slots, like 2 SIMs and 1 SD card. This one. Samsung Galaxy A7 has a 6-inch Super AMOLED FHD panel. It has an octa-core processor. The display is vibrant and colorful with a touch of oversaturation, especially red and blues. The phone is available in one with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and other is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The colors available is blue, black and gold. Both are variants have a non-removable 3300 mAh battery. Now I'm going to switch on the phone. So this process is also going to take time to set it up the phone. So I'll just speed up the video. The 2018 Samsung Galaxy A7 comes with a bigger display, fewer physical buttons, and more glass than before. Samsung says it has used Gorilla Glass on the front and 2.5D glass on the back. So this will register smudges after a few moments holding the device. So you have to wipe it up frequently to keep it smudge free. I'm going to test it out the fingerprint scanner. So I'm going to settings, then lock screen, then fingerprint scanner. Before setting up a fingerprint scanner, you have to set the lock screen type. So I'm going to choose the pattern type and I'm going to set out the fingerprint scanner. So I'm going to use my right thumb and also my index finger left. So it's pretty convenient to use these two fingers. So I'm going to use the right thumb and left index finger. So here I was not sure about the fingerprint scanner in this phone, so I was testing to lock the screen just by the finger scanner. So you have to press the physical button to lock the screen, then you have to scan the finger to unlock the screen. But I was testing it could lock the screen just by finger scanner. So no, only by pressing the physical button it will lock the screen, then scanning the finger it will unlock the screen. It's pretty accurate. It has a 1 second delay, like slightly 1 second delay, but it's pretty cool and very accurate and pretty fast. The triple rear camera system includes an 8 megapixel wide angle, 24 megapixel sensor, and 5 megapixel depth sensor. Live focus uses the 5 megapixel depth sensor, 25 megapixel is a selfie camera. So I have tested some pictures in this video, so you can have a look at it. These are some pictures which I have clicked with this phone, some wide angles and some normal angles, and it also has a ER emoji filter effect, which is pretty cool. And I really like the camera. Obviously it has 24 megapixel camera and the clarity and everything is pretty cool. The phone is 168 grams. It feels quite light and easy to hold. The Galaxy houses a 3300 mAh battery, which is a pretty standard capacity that we are used to seeing in mid-range phones. It good for full day, I guess. So overall, I still have to discover a lot of features in it, and I need to test it out. But for the price, it's pretty good phone. It's premium looking phone and I really like it. I got the blue one, so that's really premium looking, but I wish they have included a C-type charger for this price. But yeah, I really like it, and do let me know in the comments bar if you have this phone and how did you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.